I'm going to share what my biggest case taught me and how it has impacted the rest of my cases. Hello, my name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer with the law firm GAMESQ. And I just turned 50 a couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago. And during this process, I started reflecting back, and my biggest case throughout my law firm career, throughout my legal career, was a case that almost didn't happen. My client suffered life-altering injuries, like injuries that will alter his life and his parents' life, because they're going to have to help him through a difficult healing journey. That's the only way I can say it. And I didn't think there was going to be much. Like, his injuries were significant, and we always look for that. But the vehicle that caused the accident wasn't like a commercial trucking, wasn't like a Mercedes-Benz or a Maybach or a Bentley. You know, it was like a Kia. But I grinded. I went to work and I found $500,000 worth of coverage. Then I found $1 million worth of coverage. And then I kept on and I kept on and I kept on working with the family so that we could present a claim that we could get $1.5 million. I had earnest, honest, open communication with the family about what was going to happen to their loved one. I also had conversations with others, like the insurance company, about what was happening, what they did, what their role was, and how I was proceeding. So what this case taught me is, even though it might not look like a big case, keep on looking for insurance, keep on investigating, right? And also admit to your client that, you know what, nothing may come of this, but we're gonna still do it, right? Sometimes we fight fights, not because we can win. We fight fights that even though we know that we might lose, but we fight those fights because they're worth fighting for. So I have now taken this approach, had these conversations with my clients, and started looking for insurance in different ways that we can add value to my client's claim, right? That is what the big thing I've learned from my biggest case is. It might look bad, but just keep digging. And if you get nothing, fine, but you might get something, and that something in this case was $1.5 million. I own a Black-owned law firm in Phoenix, Arizona called GAMESQ. And there's a number of testimonials on this blog, on YouTube, at my blog. And if you'd like to experience the GAMESQ advantage, give me a call. At GAMESQ, it's your injuries, our fight, your win.